I have a big joy working for Torqeedo because we make a very complex system, very complex products, easy to use and easy to handle for our clients. Together with the team, this is what makes me happy.
Torqeedo has pioneered the field of electric marine propulsion by consistently delivering innovative products and staying at the forefront of technology.
We have several core competences and clusters, for example, hydrogeneration, sustainable materials, or very important batteries.
To meet our customers' needs, everything we do is centered around their feedback.
We get a lot of feedback about the needs through trade shows, through our service, even through our sales partners and colleagues. The best example I can give about customer feedback finding its way into our product development is the new click function of the travel battery.
Our engineers continually enhance our products and processes. We've introduced a discovery stage to explore multiple concepts before choosing the best one. In combination with rapid prototyping, using technologies like 3D printing, this approach ensures electric boating is as comfortable and easy as possible.
We are using computer-based methodology and as well rapid prototyping methodology. We have lots of 3D printers in our premises.
What our R&D team is currently working on is still top secret, but we promise to keep on pushing the boundaries of what's possible in electric boating.